Hey guys, Elite Dragon here, back with another reaction here. This one is another suggestion by Fred Roman. Is working with Jigsaw. I don't know if that's the same guy in it or not, the one that was living with him. I don't know if this is his job. But this is Jigsaw getting a job at the office. Seems going by the title here. This video here is a little bit longer than the last one, about 3 minutes and 40 seconds, so just a tad longer. So we're going to give this a check, and don't forget to check out his channel, Chris Capel, and give a thumbs up, and subscribe to his channel, and let's get to it. Look at his face.
So, what's it like working with Jigsaw?
No, it's a different guy.
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy.
Hey, Janine.
Yes, I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry. What?
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to go home on time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic virus. In exactly 25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you totally have a crush on, will arrive at your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer mouse. The clock is ticking, Janine. Make your choice.
Thank you guys very much.
The guy with post
The
stickers.
frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic and meaningless life.
What'd he say?
One's wearing a neck brace, one's whole taped up, wearing a boxing glove.
Please, 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 hold the elevator.
Just hold it.
The guy on the left seems fine, and so does the lady on the far right.
Just hold some more.
He's like,
Hold it. Hold, please. Hold for one more. Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. But the door's closed. Just hold. Hold it. Okay. Look, one sec. Just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to. Yep. There we go.
You want me to get
I
that?
got it, Steve.
Look, this is not the fun part of the job, but we've
Yeah.
been monitoring office productivity, and
Yeah,
as you
yeah.
can see from this research, when your games increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Look,
Sure.
all we're asking is that you just, tone it down
Yeah,
a little,
yeah.
just till corporate gets off our back, okay? What do you think?
Yeah, yeah. It's
you know it's coming.
all of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your
That was
shackles
quick.
That's the
have been
kind of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair. It's gonna be tough. Gonna be tough. But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Will you synergize and work together as a team, Karen, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families, or be stuck inside the office for the third time this quarter?
Alright guys, that is well, working with Jigsaw there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like I mentioned in the beginning, show the channel Chris, show him some love, and give him a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my channel here, give it a thumbs up and like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video I do. So take care, and I'll see you next time.